Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do tomato facial, which is the most safe and effective way to achieve bright and fair skin tone. If you want instant glow on your skin, try tomato facial. Take one tomato, cut it into pieces and put it in the blender and make a puree. And this is the puree. Now we'll make a cleansing pack first. For that we need 1 spoon tomato puree and 1 spoon of honey. Mix it nicely and apply it on your face and neck with the help of a cotton ball. Cleansing is the first step of facial, and honey is a natural cleanser that cleanses your skin and keeps it hydrated. And when mixed with tomato, it will make your skin look fresh and alive. Now once cleansing is done, just wipe off your face with a damp towel, and now we'll make a scrub pack. For scrub, we need 1 spoon of tomato puree and half spoon brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar or you can use wheat flour or rice flour as an alternative. Mix all this nicely and make a paste. Now start applying it on the face and neck gently. Scrubbing is the second step of facial. You have to scrub. So gently massage your face with this pack. In this step, you do not have to accelerate too much. Otherwise, sugar grains can irritate your skin. So do it gently. With a light hand near your cheeks, nose and pigmented areas like chin and around your mouth, and scrub gently in circular motion and upward direction. Once the scrubbing is done, you can wash your face. And now we'll make our face pack. For that, take the remaining tomato pulp and add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder to it and 1 spoon of sandalwood powder. If you don't have sandalwood powder, use multani mitti or gram flour, that is Besan, as an alternative. And 1 vitamin E capsule. If you have oily skin, then skip vitamin E capsule and use aloe vera gel and little rose water to make a pack. Mix all these things together. This pack will remove stains, spots and pimples from your face. You will see the difference in just a week. Now here is the pack, and I'll apply it on my face and neck nicely. You don't have to massage it, just apply it gently. This is one of the best home remedies for fair, spotless, glowing skin. Do try this at home 2 times a week and you'll be amazed with the results of this simple and effective tomato facial. It will remove all the tanning, dark spots, pimples, and will also even out your skin tone. Now let the pack semi-dry. After 5 minutes, my pack is semi-dry. Now I'll wash it with cold water. And here I am. Do this at least 2 times a week to see the difference. Now apply your favorite moisturizer or aloe vera gel if needed. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such DIYs and makeup. See you next week. Till then, bye. Take care.